Are you loyal to a fault? Or on the flip side, are you expecting too much loyalty, an unrealistic amount of loyalty that you might be expecting when you are in leadership? When you're running a brokerage business, realtors are essentially your customer. I view it more as a partnership. I'm giving them things that are helping them with their business, and they're giving things to me that are helping me with the company. If we are not providing the things that they need to grow their business and giving them the support, then who can blame them if they want to move on? I get it. We've had a wildly high retention rate, wildly high, especially with our top agents. I love it, I appreciate it, but that's because we earn it. That's because we're investing. We just had a top realtor join with a team some months back, and he said, look, I don't mind paying a marketing fee off the top because you're actually spending it on marketing. So think about that as a leader. Don't over expect loyalty. They should be loyal to an extent, but if you're not getting what you need to grow your business, you should make a change because the only one you're hurting is you.